Ever wondered which Shark Tank products were actually worth the investment? Some of the biggest success stories started with a simple pitch. And today we're looking at some of the most useful and innovative products that got a deal on the show. Let's dive in. When Kevin Hart and Lori Greiner saw how Snacktive Pro could solve the age-old problem of greasy fingers while gaming or working, they knew it was a winner and invested $200,000 for 20% equity to help bring this innovative snacking tool to the masses. This clever device clips onto your fingers, letting you snack on chips, popcorn, or candy without ever touching your keyboard or controller. Whether you're deep into a gaming session or working on your laptop, Snacktive Pro keeps your hands clean and your snacks easy to grab, a must-have for any multitasker. Lori Greiner instantly recognized the genius behind Scrub Daddy and invested $200,000 for 20% equity, turning it into one of the most successful Shark Tank products of all time, now worth over $250 million. This isn't just a regular sponge, it changes texture based on water temperature, staying firm in cold water for scrubbing tough messes and soft in warm water for gentle cleaning. The smiley face design isn't just cute, it actually helps you clean utensils and glasses better. From dishes to countertops and even car wheels, Scrub Daddy makes cleaning faster, easier, and way more fun. Mark Cuban saw huge potential in Dude Wipes as a flushable, eco-friendly alternative to toilet paper and invested $300,000 for 25% equity, helping the brand explode in popularity across major retailers. These biodegradable, extra-large wipes are infused with eucalyptus and tea tree oil, giving you a refreshing, next-level clean at home, on the go, or after a workout. Plus, Dude Bomb's toilet spray makes sure you leave no unwanted scents behind. If you want to upgrade your bathroom routine with convenience and freshness, Dude Wipes are a game changer. Believing that flossing should be quicker and more convenient, the Shark saw promise in Flouse Electric Flosser, though investment details are yet to be disclosed. This high-tech flosser takes the hassle out of traditional flossing by using 3-speed vibration settings to gently clean between teeth without the awkward stretching and discomfort of regular floss. It comes with 45 replacement heads and offers a more eco-friendly, effective way to maintain great oral hygiene. If you struggle with flossing or just want an easier way to take care of your teeth, Flouse is the solution you've been waiting for. Understanding the importance of personal safety in social settings, Lori Greiner backed Nightcap with a $60,000 investment for 25% equity, believing in its potential to help prevent drink tampering. This clever invention looks like a regular scrunchie, but hidden inside is a stretchable drink cover that you can easily pull out and place over your cup at bars, clubs, or parties. It's washable, reusable, and compact enough to carry anywhere, giving you an extra layer of protection and peace of mind when you're out and about. If you or someone you love enjoys nightlife, Nightcap is a must-have. These products aren't just TV show ideas. They've become real-life success stories, making everyday tasks easier, cleaner, and safer. Which one do you want to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more product reviews. Find the best deals on these Shark Tank products in the description. Thanks for watching.